Hello everyone, I welcome you all in Boost Up Startup Finance. I am Muskan Bansal representing Make My Financials. So today we are going to solve a case study on the capitalization table but on scenario-based analysis. So this case study basically revolves around our esteemed US client who seek thorough, realistic projections for potential funding rounds using equity pricing or safe investments. This client initially approached us with nothing but an idea. We had one thorough discussion of some predefined assumptions and expectations. This Make My Financials made a commitment to serve the client, to provide the valuable assistance, and to address his specific requirements. Basic assumptions made by us all together were: first, the convertible debt is issued at a 0% discount rate. The company has 4 founders and each founder has an equal number of common shares. And the company has also created an option pool of 10% of the initial number of common stock. Then the client expressed his expectations, which are necessarily to be included in the customized cap table. And they say that the founding team of the company owns 800,000 shares, including an option pool. Investor 1 then invested $1 million at a $6 million post-money cap on a convertible note with 0% interest. A year later, Investor 2 wants to invest $770,000 at a $12 million pre-money valuation in a new equity round. And including along with this round, the Investor 1 chooses not to convert the note but would like to invest more capital in this new preference equity round to maintain their implied ownership percentage upon conversion. And along with this cap table, the investor also wanted to know about these 3 questions. First one was the cap table using Excel. Second, how much new capital does the investor 1 needs to contribute to this new fundraising round to maintain their implied ownership they had from the seed round. Okay, and then what is the post-money valuation and the price per share for the new shareholders. So we embarked on a fresh start by creating an initial draft using Excel. So to streamline the process and enhance the user experience, we developed a comprehensive and organized dashboard. The user-friendly interface requires the client to input only the important parameters, resulting in a structured, detailed, and easy-to-interpret cap table. As we can see, we have just put in all the parameters, all the expectations, and the assumptions we have earlier made in this cap table, and we have prepared the projections for the convertible debt round and for the Series A round. We need to calculate the value per share as per the post-money cap, not as per the discount, because discount rate is not given. The value per share will be calculating so as to know the ownership stake which the convertible note investor have to have if the conversion is to be made. So as to maintain that ownership structure, ownership percentage in the company after the Series A round, he needs to invest some additional amount of investment. So we came up with a solution after preparing with this cap table that he needs to bring $155,250 as a new investment in the company, and there will be an increase of 1.20% of ownership so as to maintain the similar or the same percentage as before Series A round. So with these advancements in place, our solution facilitates quick analysis and accessibility, saving the client valuable time. Furthermore, we incorporated dynamic charts to visualize the evolving ownership stakes in each funding round, thereby showcasing the solution to all queries of the client. And by analyzing from these charts from the cap table, we came across with the post-money valuation. And the post-money valuation came out to be $12.9 million nearly. And price per share for the further funding rounds come out to be nearly $15. So overall, our approach has transformed the task into a swift and efficient process, allowing the client to manage his ownership structure with ease. Therefore, as an outcome, we were so happy with the client satisfaction, with all so workable model, with the precise, with the perfect visualizations. Make My Financials is a perfect blend of expertise and affordability, and as a result, our project got approved with a 5-star rating. So we are here to help all of you with your business problems, and we'll try our best to solve them out. So stay tuned to watch such valuable content, and the contact details and the ways to contact are being displayed in the description. Thank you so much for watching.